Hi everyone, in today's video I will be sharing my current favorite nude lipsticks. You can wear these shades with or without makeup. Now if you don't know about my skin tone, some of my foundation matches are going to be in the description box. And that's it, let's get started. The first shade is from the Rufa Beauty Matte Bullet Lipstick and this one is in the shade Darling Your Magic. It's a highly pigmented brown nude shade with a matte finish. It has one stroke pigmentation, is non-drying and lightweight. The lipstick is available on rufabeauty.com. The application is very smooth and it comes in a matte black sturdy packaging. The packaging is very luxurious. The second shade is the Fair Beauty Non-Drying Multi-Use Matte Lipstick in 2 Extra. This is supposed to be a buildable matte lipstick. It will give you a sheer coverage in one stroke, but you can build it up to get high coverage. The shade I have can also be used for cream contouring. I have tried this without makeup and it looks amazing. It is a very hydrating lipstick. It has a hydrating formula, but this has not got a matte finish. It has a shiny finish. I really like the color. It's a deep brown, warm-toned nude. To make it matte, you can dab a tissue paper on your lips, and that will also make this lipstick transfer proof. After this we have the Insights 24-hour non-transfer matte lipstick in the shade Stay Basic. This is the most beautiful brown nude shade you can have, especially if you have dusky skin. It's a mauve brown shade. The lipstick has a powder matte finish. It's actually transfer proof and extremely lightweight. It's also affordable. It retails for rupees 220 and you will not get this quality in a bullet lipstick for that price. Next is the Mars Matinee Lipstick in the shade Nude Flirt. This is a highly pigmented neutral brown nude shade. It's transfer proof, water resistant and mask proof. The application is very creamy and the finish is matte, powder matte. This has the most lightweight formula. It's affordable. It doesn't exaggerate fine lines. It also has one swipe pigmentation. Next is the Sugar Air Kiss Powder Matte Lipstick in Caramel Souffle. I know a lot of you guys think that this powder lipstick is unnecessary, but I feel completely different about it. And I have used it a few times. Now this video isn't sponsored or anything, and neither was the reel that I created on these lipsticks. This has an extremely lightweight, airy feel. This turns creamy the moment it touches your lips, and if you apply just the amount you need, it will be transfer proof. This shade is a beautiful pink toned brown nude and this is non-drying. The formula of this lipstick surprised me and I have never seen a formula like this before in any lipstick. That's why I thought that this should definitely be mentioned on this channel. On number 6, we have the NYX Lip Lingerie Push Up Long Lasting Lipstick in the shade Seduction. This has a cooling, tingling, minty sensation when you apply it. This can plump your lips a little bit, but the plumping effect is very temporary. It also has a built-in sharpener. This has a powder matte, lightweight finish. The shade has a little bit of orange tone, so it can wash out deeper skin tones without makeup, but it's a perfect brown nude shade for medium skin tone. You can wear it with or without makeup if you have a medium skin tone. Next is the Plum Luxe Matte Liquid Lipstick in Money Mover. This is a red toned brown. This has a little bit more vibrance. It's got a powder matte finish. It's extremely lightweight, non-drying. It doesn't exaggerate fine lines of your lips. I have a dedicated review of these lipsticks on my channel. It's linked in the description, so check it out if you want to know about this lipstick in detail. On number 8, I have the PAC Retro Matte Lip Gloss in Nutty Doodle. It's a pink toned brown shade. This has a powder matte finish. It's smudge proof. The formula is very liquidy, non-drying and extremely lightweight. I have the mini version. This was sent to me by the brand on Valentine's Day. The full size retails for rupees 550. The mini version retails for rupees 150, which is extremely affordable if you want to try out these glosses. This is 100% transfer proof too. If you want a more warm brown nude shade instead of a pinky brown nude shade, you can go with the shade Smug from the same range. Next I have a warm brown nude shade. This is from Faces Canada Comfy Matte Liquid Lip Color and this one is in the shade Note to Self. This has a powder matte finish. It's transfer proof and smudge proof. Almost all the lipsticks I mentioned in today's video are mask proof. The formula is very moussey and lightweight. It's non-drying during the first few hours of application, I'd say a couple of hours, but it gets drying with time and exaggerates the fine lines on your lips a little bit, but still, according to the price, this is a great product. The final shade is from the Cuffs and Lashes Liquid Matte Lip Color. This is a mauve brown shade. I have a dedicated video on these two and it's going to be linked in the description box. Again, this has a very lightweight formula. It has a powder matte finish. It has a very moussey texture. It's affordable. It retails for rupees 225. And that's it. The staying power of all the lipsticks is going to be in the description box. Hope this video was helpful. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.